Nebula is any fuzzy patch in the sky. Any region of space that you can see through a telescope, but does not have nice defined edges. And it's usually made up of gas and dust, hence the fuzzy patch, right? It's very large, but very low in density. Again, hydrogen and helium, gas, and dust. So low density. And of course, there's got to be different kinds of nebulas, right? So, emission nebulas. Glowing clouds of hot interstellar gas surrounded by groups of young, bright stars. So, this is one. Doesn't look very glowing, does it? It is 1,200 parsecs away. It's 14 parsecs in diameter. There's another one, M20, 1,600 parsecs away and 6 parsecs in diameter. And again, that's looking at it through visible light. So another type of nebula, a reflection nebula. The light from the stars is actually bouncing or reflecting off of dust particles, and the dust particles are scattering the blue light. Okay, so here's kind of a picture of what's going on. Right, here's us standing on Earth. I don't know why they chose us ahead, but that's okay. There's us standing on Earth, and here's an emission nebula. Okay, so we can see it's emitting off all of this red light. It's going through this reflection nebula, and the blue light gets scattered. The red light just kind of keeps going. So the red light is supposed to be a straight kind of line-ish there, going from the visible all the way up to the red, but the blue light is getting scattered, and because of where we are and which direction we're looking, we're seeing it as more blue because we're seeing the scattered blue light. Hopefully that made sense. This is a picture of nebula pillars of creation. It's interesting. Anyway, so the stars heat up. Obviously, that's what stars do. They disperse gas and dust into the nebula. Now, they also kind of erode the cloud. Right? As they're emitting all of this and heating up, they're kind of eating the cloud away. Kind of just like water does on Earth's surface, or how it used to do it on Mars' surface, right? It's cutting through it. And so there's stars at the tip of these that are eating away the clouds, so it won't be there in 100,000 years. Kind of sad.